Today is going to be a great day at the market, Ruby. Wait for me! I have the best pumpkins in the valley! Look at all the people! Let's get these apples sold! That does not look like a normal rain cloud. We should head back. The dam is cracking! We have to reinforce it now! Don't be afraid, Billy! I'm coming for you!
You're safe now, little one. The storm can't hurt you here.
Look! The sun is coming back! The farm is safe! Together, there's nothing we can't handle. Look at him go. He's much better today, isn't he?
A little hammer here, a little nail there, and we'll be back in business.
Give us a hand, Mono. This post needs some muscle.
Everything feels so peaceful now that the storm is a memory.
Did someone mention a snack? Working on that fence made me famished.
The repair is holding perfectly. The valley is safe.
Good work today, Porky. Let's get some rest.
Good night, Green Valley. See you tomorrow. What a beautiful morning. The valley looks brand new.
Look at me, Ruby!
You're doing wonderful, Billy. Keep practicing.
The storm actually helped the soil. These pumpkins are going to be huge, Porky.
Only the best for our neighbors at the village.
Careful with those eggs, Mono. They're as precious as gold today.
We're almost there.
Just in time for 11ses. I'm starving. Fresh from Green Valley, the sweetest apples you'll ever taste.
We did more than just save the farm, didn't we? We saved each other.
Let's go home, everyone. It's been a long, wonderful day.
We finally made it back. My hooves are killing me. Nothing beats a warm fire after a rainy week.
Drink up, little ones. You survived the storm beautifully.
The soil is perfect. Time for the winter carrots. Watch your step, Billy. Just like that.
I think this is the best harvest season we've ever had.
Home sweet home. Good night, everyone. The air feels so fresh today. Let's get to work, everyone. Nice catch, Ruby. We will have the cart full in no time.
This is the biggest pumpkin we've ever grown, Porky.
We should add a few more logs here, just to be certain. Everything looks beautiful, Ruby. The villagers will love it. I never get tired of this view. It makes all the hard work worth it. Stay close, Billy. The night is full of stars. Don't worry, Ruby. We'll be back before the rooster crows. Keep your eyes on the light, Billy. Almost across. This pumpkin is definitely going to be the star of the night. Another happy customer. We're nearly sold out of apples already.
It's been a long night. Time to head home to our valley.
Look! Home sweet home, right on time.
Sleep well, everyone. We've earned it.
Good morning, everyone. That was the best sleep I've had in weeks.
Hungry already, Billy? Here is something sweet to start your day.
The soil is perfect. These carrots will be ready for the next market in no time.
You look so much happier with a little drink.
We should head back to the dam today. I want to make sure those cracks haven't grown. It looks like our work is holding, but we might need more sandbags over here.
Whatever comes tomorrow, we'll handle it together. This valley is our home. Just a few more baskets, Ruby. The village market won't know what hit them.
Look at these beauties. They are the heaviest pumpkins in the whole valley.
Fresh from Green Valley. Step right up for the finest harvest. A perfect day, friends. Every single apple and pumpkin sold. Step right up, best apples in the village.
Don't forget the carrots.
Home at last. The farm looks so beautiful in the moonlight.
Good night, everyone. Tomorrow is a new day.
Look at that view. It feels like the whole valley is breathing with us today.
One last check on the dam, then we can celebrate the harvest properly.
That should hold even if the biggest storm in history comes back. Everything is ready for a quiet night. The barn has never looked better.
A feast fit for heroes. We certainly earned this, Ruby.
To Green Valley, and to the best friends anyone could ask for.
It was a long journey, but it was worth every step. Good night, my friends.
Rest now, Billy. The valley is safe, and the morning will be bright.
Wake up, carrots! It is time to grow for the next market!